Hello and welcome to Caravan Salon Dusseldorf 2021. This is 2022 range from Frankia. Luxurious vehicles, well, in some cases, not always. This is a Neo. It's based on the Mercedes Sprinter, and it's in the 7 meter class. In fact, it's under 7 meters. This one here is 682 centimeters long, 224 in width, 290 in height, 4.5 ton basis, 2 meter standing height. You can have 4 seating places, but if you wanted, you could get rid of 2 and have 2 seating places, 2 belted places anyway, 2 or 3 sleeping places. This is called the Neo Milan. Look to it. It starts off at 78,000. This is 105,315. It's got all of this extra stuff, most expensive of which is putting on 143 horsepower, but in calendar year 2022 150 horsepower, manual 6-speed, 6-speed gearbox, half automatic AC, and it's got cruise control. It's got all sorts of other stuff as well. Right, anyway, these vans have a double floor. I shall demonstrate immediately the 2 double floors. So that's double floor number 1, and here's double floor number 2. And in there you've got a water pump and you've got your water release. And if we come over to the next part of the double floor, here we will see the water tank. Floor is flat all the way back. That's great, super. And widthwise bed, looks very nice. And kitchen, that's practical. 2 burners, plenty of space between them. That's what we're having in 2022. It's 2 burners. Gone are the 3 burner vans. No, not entirely. I've exaggerated on that one. There's still plenty of them, but there are many 2 burners. Kitchen, relatively good. Nothing unusual about that. Here we have the fridge, and if you take the stairs away, you can actually get in the fridge better. We have a bit more space to see the double floor there. If you want to inspect your black tank, you know, you might be wondering what's in the black tank at night. Well, now you can just get out of bed and have a quick look at it. You've got a sort of wardrobe there. Well, it's not a sort of, it is a wardrobe, sorry. There. Okay. Nice bed with windows at either side. Bit of Laura Ashley type curtains. I don't know if they are Laura Ashley, I'm just calling them that. This door is really weird. Look at that. Look how, what a funny shape it is. Another wardrobe, very nice so far so good. Don't know what the point of all this is. There might be a point. Such an odd shaped door. Right, any complaints so far? Yes, the ladder. The ladder is a complaint. You've got that funny shape down there. You could have had some steps or something that sort of came down. That would have worked. You could have built some steps, maybe not into the door, but there could have been a sort of steps that came down. That'd be far better than a ladder. I mean, a ladder's okay if the van costs 40,000 euros, but not if it costs 100,000. Right, so everything's good so far. Can we get in the toilet? What do you think? Yes, we can. Here, this toilet. The toilet moves backwards and forwards. So if you want the toilet out, it'll come out. Or if you go back, if you want more space in here. So this will go back. Like that, you say it goes back. Or if you want to wash your hands, you can pull this out like this. So you can do that. Well, that's great. This is requiring a fair bit of force to put it back, but it's new. Clicks into shape, into place. It requires force now. It's going to require less and less force in time. Less and less and less force. It'll be easier and easier and easier to put back until such time as it breaks. And break it will. We're at the toilet. How's that? That's force that required. Oh dear. Well, that did click into shape, didn't it? There you go. So there's the toilet. Back in position. Let's see if I can get it out again. Okay. So that's working. Good. There's me in the mirror. And this opens to reveal... Sorry. Couldn't find the catch. That was me. To reveal the place for your smelly stuff. And there's me. Oh, I didn't show you how much space there is here. Look at all this space, 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 space. Right, so I'll carry, so that moved because I'm carrying a bag on my back. Today, I brought a packet of nuts with me. So the point of that is it'll keep me going. Because of COVID, people used to feed us. Well, so in the first couple of days we got fed, then we didn't get fed. But today I bought a packet of nuts so I can keep on providing this content all throughout the day. Right, okay, we'll have a look at another one. This is the same design, same everything, real. No, it's not, it's the same different colour scheme inside. Another Neo. And this one here, well, I'll use this to demonstrate the toilet. So this is a darker one. That's not helped, of course, by the fact that the lights are not on. And the lights are on here. The lights are on here as well. That's off, sorry. Looks the same. There's a biscuit tin. Biscuit tin doesn't come with it. Okay, that's now going to the toilet. And here, let's see if I can get this one out. Well, you heard it click out. Let's see if I can get this one in. It's looking a bit dodgy, I would say, already. Anyway, how about if I show you the German layout? Here we have the German layout, and make the same demonstrative point inside. So okay, it looks quite nice there. Oops. Bangs there, sorry, that was my fault. So we push this in. Oh, it clicks in. Oh dear, right, well it didn't click in like I did last time. And we'll push this in. Push it in. Push it in. You can hear it clicking in, but it's not working. Now the point here is that it's already not working, and it hasn't even been driven anywhere, probably. So that, I don't like that at all. Oh, not here we have someone else wanting to film this van. So I'd better clear off before they find out that the toilet's broken. Anyway, good. There you have it. Frankia Neo 2022. Oh, wait till you get one from. Said you want to get one. There you are. There's a map. Germany, Denmark, Czechia, Austria, Switzerland, Belgium, and the Netherlands. There's also special features for a UK pack. Don't know if that includes a toilet that works or not though, but it does have some other features which cost money. So thanks very much for watching. I shall. Do you want to have a quick look at this? What we've got here? Whilst there's no one around. There's Le Voyageur. Here we've got some. Oh, there's another Pilote brand because Pilote is the owner of Frankia. It's called Joa, which is like another cheap one, so they're going in competition with themselves. Here we have some really nice stuff from Frankia. I mean, you're looking here at about 125,000 plus on this one. Pretty smart, eh? And the other side of the hole, we've got Pilote, which is the standard brand, so to speak. And here we've got some Yukon, or is it Yukon? Campervans, which in my opinion are a major misunderstanding. Maybe it's maybe because I haven't understood it. So there you have it. Right, anyway, let's come back around here. Oh, I didn't mention the fantastic garage at the back of the Neo, which there you see, this is the German layout one, of course. Pretty good, eh? This for me is also I've got to put the good points in as well, because this garage is absolutely outstanding. Look at the size of that. Wow. Two doors, electric stuff's behind that grill. Very nice. Oh, you've got this fantastic thing here as well for the gas. This comes out. That's your toilet cassette. That's going to break before long. And most. And here, we see how the construction of it, the infrastructure. Look, you can use bits of skis or long bits of scaffolding or snakes that won't uncurl themselves. You know, all sorts of stuff can go in there. So I mean, this infrastructure, this one here, I mean, it really reveals so much about the vehicle. How much, you know, this building it up to create space, to create double floor, which creates warmth. You've got your storage. I believe it's also accessible from under the chairs. So these are all positive things. Let down by a dodgy toilet. Right, good. Thanks for watching. Hope you found that nice to watch. If you didn't, then you're probably working for Frankia, or you were going to buy one, or you're a dealer worried about how you're going to have to fix those toilets. All the best from Dusseldorf.